you want to keep your lawn clean and neat? If you do, you will have to put your precious time and effort to keep it in tip-top shape. And as traditional lawnmowers are heavy and noisy, it gets really annoying for everyone. So here, the robotic lawnmowers come into play. They are relatively easy to program, mow your lawn efficiently, and are super quiet. Therefore, we have these top 5 best robotic lawnmowers just for you. So let's jump into the video.
Hey guys, welcome to Smart Home 101. Here, we will be sharing insightful videos to familiarize you with the idea of a smart home and automation tips. After testing and analyzing thousands of products, our team of experts have come up with buying guides, reviews, recommendations, and the latest buzz so that you are always up to date with the current smart home trends.
Give a gentle touch to your yard and effortlessly get the lawn mowing done with the help of the Gardena Sileno City 1501, a robotic lawnmower that is quiet, weatherproof, and special for small yards. With that being said, it has up to 2,700 square feet of working capacity with an attractive and sturdy design. During the lawning, your neighbors won't yell at you because it includes a quiet operating motor that produces only 57 decibels of noise. Plus, with the help of the Gardena Bluetooth app, you can simply control this lawnmower with your smartphone from about 33 feet away. Additionally, it has a superior runtime of up to 65 minutes and features an adjustable cutting height between 20 and 50 millimeters. Capable of working in all kinds of weather, this lawnmower has a slope of up to 35%, so no matter how rough your garden is, it has got you covered. In short, if you're seeking a robotic lawnmower for your small yards that operates quietly yet features very efficacious qualities, you must keep this lawnmower on your checklist. A perfectly shaped yard means a perfect place to spend quality time. And with the Ayi DRM-3600i, cut off extra long grasses from anywhere with no effort. This automated mower has a sleek and innovative design, coming with specialized sensors to enable the robot to move around the obstacles during cleaning tasks. And it's operated by a robust lithium-ion battery with 3 sharp cutting blades and a 3,500 RPM that can take care of your lawn and garden beautifully. Besides, the machine makes less operating noises at 58 decibels for its brushless motor, which surely won't disturb other residents in the area even if it covers up to 600 meters square area straight. It's also a mulching mower, meaning that it cuts your lawn on a regular basis, allowing the leftover clippings to fall onto the soil and fertilize it naturally. Moreover, it is easy to set up and easy to operate by using the smartphone. Plus, if the battery runs low or starts raining, it can automatically return to the dock station. So add more convenience into your life by bringing the Ayi DRM-3600i automated robot lawnmower and doing other household chores with no worries. Husqvarna has been leading the sector of robotic lawnmowers for over 25 years. Now meet its 315X, a smart robotic mower that is a bit pricey but worth your every penny for its high-efficient cutting technologies and other features. With Automower and cutting-edge technology, it can cut up to 0.4 acres of area with a quickly adjustable cutting height between 0.8 and 2.4 inches. Plus, it allows you to control easily with your smartphone, Amazon Alexa, or Google Home devices with the help of the Automower Connect app. Moreover, the 315X is water resistant, meaning you can use it during rain, while the included LED headlights, specially painted wheel, and rubber front bumper cars make it one of the ideal gardening tools for your yard. All things considered, the Husqvarna 315X can live up to all your requirements with its stunning performance and take care of your yard the way you want it. Now get your hands on the worx-landroid-WR165, which features advanced technologies and offers excellent mowing performance to be a worthy option for your bang. With a powerful removable battery, this fully automated lawnmower has up to 1/8 an acre cutting ability, suitable for your smaller lawns, yards, and garden. It has up to 7-inch cutting width with patented artificial intelligence algorithm cutting technology. As a result, you can pass through narrow paths pretty easily. Plus, you can get 50% longer runtime and 10% extra lifespan than the other robotic mowers on the market because of its powerful brushless motor. Furthermore, you can use the Landroid app to remotely control your motor machine and give the lawn a beautiful touch like a pro. Moreover, the removable battery that comes with this mower can be used in all worx 20-volt or 40-volt tools, meaning you can save some penny for the next gardening tool. In case you require a robotic lawnmower for your small lawns, this worx-landroid-mower is one of the most affordable and worthy options for you. Get a tidy lawn on demand and forget about mowing by yourself. Presenting the Husqvarna 435X AWD, a fabulous robot lawnmower that can take care of your lawn yard even when you're not around. This all-wheel drive mower makes light work of lawns up to 3,500 meters squared and navigates obstacles, rough terrain, and slopes of up to an impressive 70%. It features X-line design with LED headlights that help it to detect objects at low light conditions, so when mowing is needed, it can jumpstart it at any given time. However, you can control it in both ways from a smartphone and your favorite voice assistant, giving you a total peace of mind and a better automation experience. Besides, for security purposes, you can set PIN codes to prevent unauthorized access, and if your Automower gets lost, you can simply find it from the GPS theft tracking. All in all, the Husqvarna 435X AWD is packed with tons of features and spaces that make it the overall best robot lawnmower that you can blindly grab on. So these were the top 5 best robotic lawnmowers just for you. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.